Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to show you how to propagate a money plant by taking its cuttings and planting them in coco peat. So I have these beautiful pothos or money plant growing in two different planters. And if you have seen my previous videos, I grew these by taking the cuttings and putting them in water. And now I'm going to show you how to do it by directly putting the cuttings in the coco peat. And one thing is that both of these have grown, large branches. So I want to cut them short so that they become more bushy. So let's take this one. So when you're taking a cutting, make sure that they have at least two to three nodes in each cutting. Nodes are the places from where the roots grow and the leaves grow. So like in this one, let's cut it here. So it has 1, 2 and 3 nodes. Okay, and then you remove the bottom leaf. So this cutting is ready. Now here again, so 1, 2 and 3. So I'm just taking this 3. Just remove the bottom two leaves. So 2, 1, 2 and 3. So I've reduced the size of this one. Let's take another one from here. And then I want to take a few from this one. This one has smaller leaves, but that's fine. So here, 1, 2, 3. And I'll take another one. Okay, so we can move these out of the way. And our cuttings are ready here. So here I have a planter in which I have put, it's all coco peat and perlite so that the stems stay moist. I'm going to just take out some rooting hormone here, and I'm going to take a cutting, just dip it in the rooting hormone. So rooting hormone basically makes sure that the stems don't rot inside the rooting medium, and then I'll just place them in. So do it for all of these. Okay, so now I'm going to just press them a little bit so that they are properly supported. Now I'm going to water them, and then I'm going to cover them with this plastic bag loosely like this, so that the light can go inside, but whatever water evaporates, it basically stays within this perimeter. So the stems, they stay moist. And then I'm going to keep it inside because both these plants were inside. So you want to keep these also inside so that they are not in shock because of the temperature. I mean, of course, they are in shock because we cut them, but not because of the temperature. And I'll keep misting them every 2-3 days, and maybe in a couple of weeks I'll remove the plastic bag and just leave them as it is. And they should get a lot of indirect sunlight but no direct sunlight. And as they start to grow, I'll keep you posted. So it's been about 2 months that we planted these cuttings. Um, so now I've removed the plastic bag that I put on the top, and you can see that the medium is still moist. It is sitting inside, and I keep misting it, like, in once in 3-4 days. So let's take a look, how the cuttings are doing. So this is one cutting, and here I see small tiny growth. In this cutting, this is fresh growth. In this middle cutting, I don't see any growth, but the leaves are all fine, so this is good. In this cutting, I see this fresh growth. So in this cutting, there's fresh growth. In this cutting, this tiny growth here, if you can see. And there's one cutting which is kind of lying down. So if you look at this one here, it's kind of rotting. Let me just pull it out. Yeah. So this is rotting. So what I'll do is that I'll make another cutting here and put it back. So I'll make a cut here and remove this rotten part and put it back in. Let me just put it. And good thing is that it has these small roots, so it may grow from there. So most of the cuttings are doing fine. This one has the biggest growth, and there's another one which has this fresh leaf coming out, this one. So maybe the leaf was already coming out, and now it is just opening up, but they are doing all fine except one cutting. All of them are doing fine. It's been 2 months. So couple more weeks have passed, and if you look at all these stems again, like this one is fresh leaf, this definitely is fresh leaf. From this stem, this one is coming out, and this one is coming out. Here is the fresh leaf from the middle stem, and this is the one we had planted last time, again replanted because it was not doing well. So it isn't doing well even now, but that's okay, we'll give it some more time. And even this is fresh leaf. So most of the stems have started growing. So I think that's what I just wanted to tell you, that you could take the stems of money plant and make sure each cutting has 2-3 nodes, and make sure a couple of nodes go inside the soil, and keep the soil moist, and keep these cuttings in an area where they get indirect sunlight, and they will start to grow just like these. So I'll still give them some more time to grow a little bit more, and then I can remove them from this and plant it anywhere I wanted to. And if you look at the original plant from where we took those cuttings from, so this was one cutting. We cut the branch from here, and look at this, this branch has grown probably about 15 inches. So this is how you keep pruning your plants, and keep growing new branches, because they grow a new branch from where you make a cutting, so the plant becomes bushier. But this original plant is also doing great. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.